Are you tired of being locked into monthly subscription fees just to keep an eye on your front door? You're not alone, and you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of smart home security with a focus on the top 5 best subscription-free video doorbells of 2024. Whether you're a renter, a privacy-conscious homeowner, or simply working with a budget, we've rounded up the best options that put security and savings in your hands. No recurring charges, no strings attached, just solid tech that gets the job done. We'll walk you through the standout features of each doorbell so you can find the perfect match for your home and lifestyle. And as always, you'll find all the product links down in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's get started. Number 1, WYZE Video Doorbell, best for budget buyers. Kicking off the list is a fan favorite in affordable smart tech, the WYZE Video Doorbell. Don't let the price tag fool you. This little powerhouse delivers 1080p Full HD video, night vision, and a wide field of view, all wrapped in a compact and stylish design. It's also incredibly easy to install on your own, making it a great option for DIYers. What really sets it apart? Local storage. With a micro SD card slot, you can record and review footage without paying a dime in monthly fees. WYZE does offer an optional cloud plan if you want extended storage, but the beauty is, it's completely optional. Pros: affordable, simple to install, local storage. Cons: optional cloud plan costs extra. Number 2, eufy S330 Video Doorbell, best for high-resolution package detection. Next up, we've got a real game-changer, the eufy Video Doorbell S330. This dual-camera doorbell is ideal for anyone who values detail and clarity. The top camera records in 2K resolution, capturing faces and small details with incredible sharpness. Below that, a second 1080p downward-facing camera watches over your doorstep, perfect for spotting packages and alerting you when something arrives or goes missing. One standout feature: package detection and theft alerts. That's right, it can actually notify you if someone tries to take your delivery. It uses military-grade encryption, stores footage locally via microSD, and is compatible with the eufy Homebase 3 for even more advanced security features. And if you opt for the battery-powered version, you still have the option to hardwire it to ring your home's chime system. Best of both worlds. Pros: dual cameras, 2K resolution, local storage, package detection. Cons: pricier than single camera options. Number 3, Blink Video Doorbell, best for Alexa users. Third on our list is the Blink Video Doorbell, an Amazon product that integrates flawlessly with Alexa for smart voice control and automation. It supports two-way audio, allowing you to speak directly to anyone at your door via your phone, whether it's a delivery driver, neighbor, or the occasional surprise visitor. Blink also offers motion detection alerts, so you're always in the know, even when you're away. Want to avoid cloud fees? Just add the Blink Sync module too, sold separately, and you can save video clips locally with a USB drive. Of course, you can also choose Blink's cloud plan if you want extra backup and features, but again, it's your choice. Pros: Alexa integration, easy to use, optional local storage. Cons: requires Sync module 2 for local storage. Number 4, Lindo Pro Dual Camera Doorbell, best for doorstep visibility. Looking for a unique design and wider visibility? Say hello to the Lindo Pro Dual Camera Video Doorbell. This innovative model features 2 separate cameras, one that looks straight ahead and another that looks downward toward your porch. This setup gives you a complete view of everything happening at your entryway, from faces to feet to package drop-offs. It supports local storage via microSD, and the companion app is well designed and easy to navigate, making it perfect for users who aren't super tech-savvy. Pros: dual camera setup, package-friendly view, local storage. Cons: less known brand, fewer integrations. Number 5, Amcrest AD410, best for customization and flexibility. Rounding out our list is the Amcrest AD410, a feature-rich doorbell that blends smart technology with complete flexibility. This model records in 2K resolution, supports two-way talk, and includes AI-powered person detection with customizable motion zones so you're only alerted when it really matters. Amcrest gives you plenty of options. You can record locally on a microSD card, store footage on your own FTP/NAS, or use third-party cloud platforms like Amcrest Cloud or Blue Iris. Pros: advanced features, flexible storage options, high resolution. Cons: slightly more technical setup. So, which video doorbell should you choose? Want something simple and budget-friendly? Go with the WYZE Video Doorbell. Prefer high-end resolution and package detection? The eufy S330 dual camera is your best bet. If you're in the Alexa ecosystem, the Blink Video Doorbell is a perfect fit. For the widest view of your doorstep, try the Lindo Pro dual camera. And for total customization and flexible storage, check out the Amcrest AD410. No matter which one you pick, each of these doorbells offers local storage, 0 monthly fees, and top-tier performance in its category. Check the description below for updated pricing, availability, and product links. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on smart home tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.
And color night vision if you have some lighting.